Let's talk about how human mind works and how we make decisions. We have two types of minds. One is called old brain and one is called new brain. Now, most of the time, the old brain is making most of the decisions. And most of the decisions you made daily are made by your unconscious mind. That is also called old brain. And most mental processing is done unconsciously. So if you think that you are thinking and making and buying decisions mostly with your intellectual mind or with your decision making mind, then you are wrong. You are mostly using your unconscious mind or old brain that is making decisions for you. Some of the decisions where we have to compare a lot of products, it is by our new brain. And our old brain is very fast, and most of the time it is going to take just 0.05 seconds to make an opinion about a website, about a product, about an Apple iPhone or new model of a camera. Okay, so all the customers needs to decide is just less than a second. So this is very important. You need to learn about this old brain. You need to tackle this old brain when you are designing your products. They must look very cool and very attractive and very solid and reliable. There is a saying that first impression is the last impression, although it is not very true, but in user experience, it is almost 80 to 90% true. Why? Because 75% of the users, they admit that when they see for the first time any website's design of a company, they are going to guess the credibility or the trust of that company based on the first look of their website. So this is very important. This is your old brain playing here. So people are most likely to purchase products if they perceive that this is a high quality product or they have a great trust on their website. Now, if you look at any website and it looks very unprofessional and very messy, or it is not designed very well, you are unlikely to buy from that e-commerce store or that website. So all this is influenced by the overall user experience and perceived quality of product. So we are perceiving in the first impression that this thing is going to work, or this is a trustable company and this product is reliable. Now, most of the calculated decisions where you need to compare things with one another, or you need to compare the features of two smartphones, that which one I need to buy, your new brain is going to kick in. You need to compare things. You need to make calculations. Okay, this PC has more processing power or something like that. So when you try to compare or use the comparison mode of any product you are trying to buy and see their differences and features, then this is your new brain helping you make decisions. So this is all about new brain and old brain and first impressions and trust and credibility of any product or app. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, ask me. Let's move on to the next lesson.